Hi everybody, today we are going to see what is inside a water cooler. You can see this is off button, high button, medium and low. This controls the fan speed. And you have another button which controls the water flow, that is off, there is no water flow. Cool, swing plus cool and swing. These are the options available. Now we will open the water cooler and we can see what are the parts inside this water cooler. Let me open this water cooler. You can see there is a small net-like aperture that is outside the water cooler. We can open the screws. It has two screws. Let us open one by one. Now let us remove the car. Inside this you can see a ultra cooling pad. This is an ultra cooling pad. The water flows into this pad and it gets cooled. So you can see how the water flows in a water cooler. In the front portion of the water cooler, you can see there is a small opening where you can pour the water. So there is a maximum value till that you have to pour the water. If you pour more water, there is a overflow hole that is at the back side of the water cooler. The water will overflow through that side. There is a small blue color cork at the bottom of the water cooler. If you remove that, the water will be out and you can clean the entire water cooler. Now let us see what are the parts of the water cooler. The various parts of the water cooler are compressor, motor, water tank, cover and other parts.